Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the critical path method or CPM. And today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, in project management, the critical path is the longest sequence of tasks that must be completed to complete a project. The tasks on the critical path are called critical activities because if they are delayed, the whole project completion will be delayed. Finding the critical path is very important for project managers because it allows them to accurately estimate the total project duration, identify task dependencies, resource constraints, and project risk, prioritize tasks, and create realistic project schedules. To find the critical path, project managers use the critical path method algorithm to define the least amount of time necessary to complete each task with the least amount of slack. Once done by hand, nowadays the critical method path can be calculated automatically with project scheduling software equipped with Gantt charts, which makes the whole CPM method much easier. The critical path CPM is a technique that's used by project manager to create a project schedule and estimate the total duration of a project. The CPM method, also known as critical path analysis, consists in using a network diagram to visually represent the sequence of tasks necessary to complete a project. Once these task sequence or paths are defined, their duration is calculated to identify the critical path, which determines the total duration of the project. Projects are made up of tasks that have to adhere to a schedule in order to meet a timeline. It sounds simple, but without mapping the work, your project scope can quickly get out of hand and you will find your project off track. Using the critical path method is important when managing a project because it identifies all the tasks needed to complete the project, then determines the tasks that must be done on time, those that can be delayed if needed, and how much float or slack you have. When done properly, critical path analysis can help you identify task dependencies, resource constraints, and project risk, accurately estimate the duration of each task, prioritize tasks based on their float or slack time, which helps with project scheduling and resource allocation, identify critical tasks that have no slack and make sure those are completed on time, monitor your project progress and measure schedule variances, use schedule compression techniques like crash, duration, or fast tracking. Now we talk about the advantages and disadvantages of critical path method CPM. First we shall talk about the advantages. Friend, it figures out activities which can run parallel to each other. It helps the project manager in identifying the most critical elements of the project. It gives a practical and disciplined base which helps in determining how to reach the objectives. CPM is effective in new project management. CPM can strengthen a team perception if it is applied properly. CPM provides a demonstration of dependencies which helps in the scheduling of individual activities. It shows the activities and their outcome as a network diagram. The disadvantages: the scheduling of a personnel is not handled by the CPM. In CPM, it is difficult to estimate the completion time of an activity. The critical path is not always clear in CPM. For bigger projects, CPM networks can be complicated too. It also does not handle the scheduling of the resource allocation. In CPM, critical path needs to be calculated precisely. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.